Hey everyone, it's Ed from RU Cars. We are back with this 2015 Seat Alhambra. It's a 2 litre TDI Advanced Style or Style Advanced. It's a 184 bhp model, DSG, ULEZ compliant, 80,000 miles, finished in Indian grey with the black leather and suede interior, riding on the 18-inch alloys. Fantastic spec throughout. Very clean and tidy car with the power side doors. If I can show you there, wait, there we go on the key. Got the LED rear lights, privacy glass all around, parking sensors all around. The reg number's there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. Absolutely clean as a whistle. It's got the pan roof as well. Really nice bit of kit. And there you have it. Let's show you inside. We have got the power tailgate. Oops, press the wrong button there. Try that one, there we go, the battery will be flat in a minute. Good sized load area. We have got the rear seats up, of course it's a 7-seat model. But it's all clean and tidy, no funny smells or anything like that. When these seats are down, like that, you do get a really large load area. Obviously those other two squabs do fold away better than that, but it's very difficult for me to do it whilst videoing. But yeah, great load area. Doesn't look like it's been used for dogs or anything like that. There are one or two scuffs inside from loading things, but it's got to be expected. It is very good for one of these. But yeah, storage compartments up the top there. This one's got rear climate as well. There you go, I'm waffling a bit. Inside, as I mentioned earlier, we've got the black leather and Alcantara with the child booster seats on both outer seats. All three middle seats are Isofix as well, with the storage in the floor and the family pack with the tables. And as we move into the front, we've got electric front seats with driver's memory. Both seats are in really nice condition, and as you can see there, got electric windows, folding mirrors, auto lights and wipers. Big pan roof. We'll just start the car up. See, there's no warnings or anything like that. Just do the windows up. So due a service in 24 days, but that'll be carried out before it leaves us. All included within the price. 80,009 miles. In the centre, we've got DAB radio, navigation, media with Bluetooth, audio, etc. All present and working, albeit still loading, but that does all work well. Don't think we've got reverse camera. Oh, we do, yeah, we've got reverse camera as well, look. That's another cool feature. Down here we've got your climate control with your heated front seats, your rear climate controls, and I think that's about it. I'm not sure if the rest button keeps the fans running after in the warm weather. All very clean and tidy in the centre. The auto hold handbrake. USB immediate in there. Big storage up the top there, look. Handbox in the glove box. Roof blind all working. And there we go. Please do give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you're considering financing the vehicle, why not ask us to put a proposal through for yourselves? We work with a number of lenders and brokers to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.